Let's just wait a few more seconds for everyone to get connected. And at the outset, I'm going to apologize if my connection is a little lagging. We were trying to work on that problem, and there still seems to be a little bit of an issue with it, but we'll do the best we can. So, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome. My name is Mark Bennett, and I'm the Clerk of the Court for the Appellate Division 4th Department. And it's one of the joyous duties of my office to candidates for admission to the practice of law. And amid the tumult in which we find ourselves today, it is particularly As you know, this ceremony is among the first virtual admission ceremonies in the history of the court, and it's being streamed over the court's website, so your family and friends are able to participate in this special moment, which also means that we might have the largest audience ever to witness admission of attorneys. Fourth Department. Our court has 12 elected Supreme Court judges appointed by the governor, with Justice Gerald Whalen, who you'll be hearing from shortly, after a long and distinguished career in both private practice and on the trial bench. In addition to determining appeals and other applications, the Appellate Division is vested with authority to admit to the practice of law those with the right and fitness to practice law. All of the candidates for admission today have been deemed to have that requisite character and fitness to practice law.
Okay, we don't have a great connection with Mark. Regretfully, Mark, we were able to hear some of what you had to say, but not a lot. I'm hoping that my voice is coming across a little bit more smoothly. And so I will begin with indicating that, first of all, welcome to the June 2020 Bar Admission Ceremony for the 4th Judicial Department. As you just heard, I'm presiding Justice Gerald Whalen. Today's ceremony will be necessarily brief, but you should not allow the condensed ceremony to take away from the importance of what is about to take place. When we finish, each of you will be duly licensed attorneys at law in our great state of New York. Becoming a licensed attorney brings with it both authority to act on behalf of others in important matters and also awesome responsibilities to clients, the profession, and society at large. Let me begin by introducing the members of the 4th Department that will be sitting on today's panel. We have with us today Justice Stephen Lindley from Rochester, Justice Patrick Niemoyer from Buffalo, Justice Shirley Troutman from Buffalo, and Justice Tracy Bannister, also from Buffalo. So this is the day that you've all been waiting for. 4 years of college, 3 years of law school, all the studying and test taking, and then passing the New York State Bar exam. To be sitting here today is quite an accomplishment, and you should be very proud. And on behalf of the members of the court, I want to congratulate each of you on all your hard work and determination. I'm sure that most of you have had help both financially and emotionally from parents, spouses, family, friends, many of whom may be watching today. And without their help, your goal of being admitted to the bar in the state of New York would have been much more difficult to achieve. And although we're here today to really congratulate you, I would ask that you briefly unmute your microphones. And let's take this opportunity to give them a round of applause, to thank them for all they've done for you. Thank you. Now, as the clerk of our court mentioned, each of you is making history today. as you are members of the first class of candidates in the history of our court to be admitted to practice in a virtual ceremony. However, I want to assure you that this will not limit your ability to only being virtual lawyers. After today, you'll be able to give legal counsel to real people and actually show up in real courtrooms, actual courtrooms. Now, as you make history in this way, I'm certain that you are also keenly aware of the history that is being made around you. For your entering the legal profession at a time in our country that is facing both an unprecedented health crisis and an extraordinary level of social and political upheaval. The confluence of these events presents a unique opportunity for all of you, for this is a time in which the legal community is being called upon to play a pivotal role in ensuring access to justice. So as you embark upon your careers in the law, which I am certain will present you with a multitude of rewarding opportunities, I strongly encourage you to embrace the opportunity that exists today to make a meaningful difference in the lives of those most negatively impacted by the current circumstances. Now the time has come for the candidates for admission to be sworn in as attorneys and counselors at law. Mark Bennett, the clerk of the court, will administer the oath. We hope he's able to do that we're fixing the technical glitches. Mr. Bennett, have these candidates been certified to the court for admission by the appropriate committee on character and fitness as possessing the character and fitness required by attorneys and counselors at law?
They have, Your Honor.
Please administer the oath of office.
All right, I apologize to everyone for doing this by phone now since my computer audio failed. You're going to be prompted now to unmute your microphones, and please make sure that they're unmuted. Okay, please raise your right hand, and at the end of the oath, repeat after me. Or, I'm sorry, say I do in answer to the end of the oath. Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and that you will faithfully discharge the duties of an attorney and counselor at law according to the best of your ability?
I do.
I do. Congratulations, everyone.
Congratulations. Counselors, congratulations. Now, go forth and make us all proud. We are adjourned.
This court will stand in recess.